Igennus Methylated Kids Multivitamin Gummy Review. Does it actually work? So, let's talk about what the product does well, or the pros. It uses methylated B vitamins for which are more available and helpful for kids with MTHFR, which is a gene variant issue. It also helps with a clean ingredient profile. It is sugar-free, has a vegan and non-GMO, no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or unnecessary preservatives. It is packed with 11 vitamins and minerals as well. They have a taste and texture which are well liked by many parents and kids, and it is manufactured with a high quality, although it comes with some cons and limitations. It can be more expensive than some other multivitamins gummies, and the gummies in general don't usually contain all nutrients children might need. Some parents report some mild issues in rare cases complain about the possible slight taste issues, and it's not suitable under the age of 4. So overall, if your child has dietary restrictions or issues with absorption, or you want a clean sugar-free vegan multivitamin gummy with methylated B vitamins, then yes, this supplement is a strong and good option.